Fix Subnautica Below Zero, not launching, won't launch, stuck on loading on PC. Has your issue. Subnautica Below Zero won't open, keeps loading forever, or crashes on startup. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close the game and launcher completely. Restart your computer properly. Launch the game again after reboot. Step 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Find Subnautica Below Zero in Library. Use Verify Integrity of Game Files. Option. Step 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Allow all Windows permission requests. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Install the latest GPU drivers. Restart the PC after updating. Step 5. Disable background apps and overlays. Turn off Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner or recording software. End unnecessary apps in Task Manager. Step 6. Delete corrupted config files. Open the Subnautica config save folder. Remove damaged settings files carefully. Relaunch the game to create fresh files. Step 7. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime files. Update Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables. Restart your computer after installation. Step 8. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus apps block game files. Add the game folder to exclusions. Test the game again after changes. Step 9. Lower launch settings. Launch the game in windowed mode. Reduce graphics settings temporarily. Disable full screen optimizations if needed. Step 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Subnautica Below Zero completely. Delete leftover cache and config folders. Install a fresh updated version again.